This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Tuesday to talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and how Bitcoin's taking a 3% dip, and everybody is losing their mind. And I'm here to tell you it's okay, okay? So if you guys are ready for this zesty education and a lot of chartery today, please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and share the stream out with friends so everyone knows what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and I also want to make sure you guys are checking out our two amazing sponsors of the show, both Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off of Market Cipher. Also, we have a goal today of 16,755 subscribers, so only 5 more. Let's pump it up. Also, shout out to Golden, before I say good morning to everyone, shout out to Golden for raining 50 membershiperies on us before the stream even started. So thank you. I appreciate that. And if you guys have not received membershipery, if you have the chance again, please press the allow gift button because I believe all of these are given out already. But if you guys have emojis, please give me an Emma emoji, as Emma is in the poll today. And you guys have to answer that poll. Answer the poll. Craig says, dang, you never win a membership. You will. I feel some good energy for you. I feel good energy for you. Where's my item? That's good. Okay, that's good. So I want to make sure I say good morning to everyone in the chat, so let's get after it. Colorado Gem Shop raining on me with these roses today. Thank you, thank you. Also, who was this? Who is this? Surfing again. Blue, hi, Blue. Next, it says, love is in the air. Da-na-na-na-na-na. We have Black Cat, nice to see ya. Craig, Bell Miner, who else we have? Kyle Rosa, shout out to Chump Change and Pocket Change for the raid. Everyone put a heart in the chat for Mr. Yee. He's not feeling well. Put some hearts in the chat for Sir Yee. Oh, poop. 70 roses from Colorado Gem Shop, and Joe just stepped in, getting us 50% to our goal. Thank you, Joe. Some hands hearts to you back. I appreciate that. Who else we have in the chat? We have so many people popping off today. I don't even know what's going on in here. We have John Germain. We have, oh boy, I'm losing sight of what's going on here. David Jackson is here. Nice to see ya. Who else we have? We have my girl Alexandra G. Beautiful. She's the best, the absolute best. Dan R is here, and he said he would have dinner with my dad because they would not stop until they get into some trouble. I don't know what that means, Dan R, but like no trouble, only good things, only good things. Misko, good morning, Misko. It's nice to see you, my friends. Who else we got in the chat? Michael Cartwright, nice to see you. Nice to see you. Who else? We have Crimson on X, Habibi on X. Hello. Nice to see you, my friends. We have M2 as well. Hi, M2. We have Chase Blanchard. Nice to see you. We have Nash, Robert Freeman, Christopher Hanna, AB, Joe the Cryptographer. Nice to see you. Or yeah, I think that says cryptographer. It seems like 2 different words there. We have Crypto Farmer on multiple platforms. Joe Harvey, nice to see ya. Who else? Galaxy 9 is in the chat. Branko Savage. Branko, hello, my friend. It's been a minute. I think it's been a minute since you've been in the YouTube chat. I know we were on Twitter not too long ago. Oh my gosh, Crimson is back. Hi, Crimson. We have Animal from the Litecoin fam. Nice to see you. Bitcoin Stew, good morning. Mellow Fellow is here. Eric Carlson is in chat. Oh boy, Ricky Garcia, good morning to you. Loki Lotus, hi Loki Lotus. Who else we have? Eric Carlson, Wick and Wifey Wick, nice to see you guys. We have Mrs. Crimson, morning darling, nice to see ya. And we have Yukio on X. Who else? KG is in the chat. Oh freaking boy, we are packed. This is a full house. Rashid, good morning. Maddie Lee, nice to see ya. We have Daydream, nice to see ya. Welcome everyone on TikTok and everywhere else you're watching, because we're on YouTube, we're on X, we're on TikTok, we're on Facebook. We're on like 12,000 platforms. Also, Bulldog Eric is here. He's the best. Yeah, we're gonna get after it. I know like things are just like not as spicy as people like, but like I'm feeling spicy. I'm always feeling spicy. We'll look at Bitcoin price action briefly right now because she is falling below 69K and 67.6, which are two important levels for us. But also, she's very attracted to the 60K golden zone. Is that where we're going? Obviously, no one has a freaking crystal ball out here, so no one knows anything for sure. However, I don't know. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. She always tries to surprise us. But we are kind of mid-range in this range that we've been in for 3 months. I'll go into the TA in a little bit, and we'll do a lot of chartery requests. So if you guys have some chartery requests, please get after those. What state am I in? I'm in New York. I'm in New York, as you can tell maybe by the background. But you can't see the full background. You can see like this, which is the skyline and everything like that. How am I liking the meme frenzy? We'll talk about the memes. You can ask me about memes in a little bit. Steve Jones saying I dropped. I don't even want to say that out loud, but it's just funny. Hi, Rob C. Nice to see you. Rob C. was his birthday. It was his birthday, and he's just an amazing person. Again, please make sure you smash a like, share it out. We're getting after it this morning. We have some news starting off the morning where at 8:30 a.m., so literally an hour, 22 minutes ago, we see that Donald T. Jr. posted on X and said Trumpy is the best choice for Bitcoin. And this is, they're just taking a thing from Bitcoin Magazine, an article saying that, again, Donnie T is very forward on Bitcoin. And he said that, again, he would basically tell Liz Warren to get the out of here. And also Gary Gensler, along with even Jerome Powell might be in trouble. Little Chapow Powell may be in trouble if Donnie T steps in. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But Donnie T Jr. is voicing that on X, and it seems like a lot of people do agree with him, and a lot of people are single-issue voters now, especially when it comes to crypto, because crypto is going to be the way that, again, this country, the world, will prosper. And if you try to hold back crypto like this current regime is doing, then obviously other countries will step in, they'll take the money, and it will be essentially the end of a lot of America, especially because crypto, again, is going to take over the entire world. It already is taking over the entire world. And if this is something that our country is going to ignore, then we'll become third world pretty quick, especially because a lot of people, again, are taking advantage of this technology, developing on the technology, and most importantly, taking a stance on things like CBDCs, where this regime likes CBDCs. They want to take our freedom away. However, Donnie T says, hey, man, if I step in, then that's a no-no. Also, the same with RFK. If you're an RFK bro, RFK said the same exact thing. He said no CBDCs, and he wanted to put the government funding on blockchain so we see where it goes, and maybe back the dollar with Bitcoin, which are really great concepts. Great concepts. Haven't heard Donnie T mention that, but that's because, you know, he likes his dollars. Although he does like his Polygon, that's where his NFTs are. He does have Bitcoin ordinals as well. They're not NFTs. Well, technically they are to a degree. That's a debate on its own. And then you have his wife that was also on Solana, not once, but multiple times. So we'll see what happens there with Donnie T. Could it just be to get some votes? Will he actually be crypto forward if he steps in January? We'll see. It's going to be a wild year. It's going to be a crazy wild year. So I'm hoping that you guys are ready, that you're buckling up, because it's about to get wild. Wild, wild. Donnie T better for Bitcoin than Brandon, 100%, but is he actually for Bitcoin? Hell no, he just talks. Listen, man, again, like, you really don't know. You don't know for sure. We don't know what his real opinion is, being that, again, he has used the technology and he's made a lot of money from it. So for him to come in and say, hey, man, like, crypto's poop, and, like, I'm going to ban it like the current regime is trying to do, which they can't ban it, and they know they can't, then I don't know. That would be a little shocking to me. That would be a little shocking. But nothing shocks me anymore. I mean, if we've learned anything since 2019, it's to literally not be shocked by anything that goes on in this country. Crypto will succeed regardless of who's in the White House. I would 100% agree with you, crypto bagger. And that's what I'm saying. Like, if they want to ban crypto, depending on the regime, it can't happen. If they want to let crypto prosper, then that looks good for them. It's just good optics. And it's also, again, a big voter base. And if they want that voter base, then they're going to have to step up their game and say, we want crypto, we're going to endorse it. And they better do that when they step in office. Or if they step in office, because there are, Donnie T and RFK, who are two major running people that are in the crypto sphere. And we already know our current regime does not enjoy it. So it is what it is. And regardless of political anything, people are single issue voters, and people do want crypto forward candidates. And whether that's in the presidente position or Congress or Senate or anything in that direction. And that's why people are really rooting for John Deaton right now, who's running against Liz Warren for the Senate seat. So we'll see what happens. I just really am bullish on John Deaton, though. He's like a regular person. We need more regular people in office that actually care about other people, which doesn't really happen that often. And it's hard to be in the political sphere because, again, you need to have that fat bag and those fat bags behind you. And how hard is it to do that? What do you have to give up to get those bags? Those are the things you got to think about there. Oh my gosh, Hero, you're crazy in the chat. I just read these. I read these chats sometimes and I'm like, they're so unhinged, but sometimes really humorous. You guys are awesome. Please smash the likes and share. We're getting after it this morning. We're really killing it. Also, we're going to talk about some FUD because FUD always has to step in. I mean, it's just inevitable, isn't it? Dawn. Oh, wow. Dom, that's a little bit vile. That's a backhanded one right there, Dom. Comments are hilarious today. Guys, please smash the like, share it out. Let's talk about Australia because they're mad. They're mad about crypto right now because people are using it to gamble, which is actually one of the first crypto use cases was people gambling online and using Bitcoin. But Australia is apparently cracking down on that. Australia is very power hungry. Australia is all about the CBDCs. They love to take over people's freedom. That's not something that we're not aware of. However, the government warned companies that are betting companies, gambling companies, that they fail to comply with this new rule that they can be fined over $155,000 US, which is around 230,000 their currency. Let's jump into what's going on in Australia and see why they're trying to ban crypto from gambling, which again, in the United States, we already know there's a lot of crypto gambling and it's endorsed and it's regulated. I think so. I believe. To protect its citizens from wasting money that they don't have. Oh my. The first line is what gets you already. To protect its citizens, which already, if the government says that they're there to protect you, you run out the door. And then you have from wasting money that they don't have. Who and how? What? Who are you to tell people that they don't have the money to gamble? What if they have their last $5 and they're like, I'm buying a scratch off with this. I'm sending this to my digital casino. Who are you to tell them no? That's hilarious. So the first line alone just shows very controlling, mannerisms there. On June 11th, the Canberra Times reported that that Australia started to prohibit digital currency and credit card use for online gambling platforms, which credit cards I could agree with. Digital currency, I mean, you can't really stop that. But apparently the government said that if you fail to comply, you're going to get fined approximately $155K US, which is, again, around $234K Australian. The rules include credit cards linked to digital wallets, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and other new forms of credit. The new rules for online gambling align with their new laws on land-based gambling. However, there are exceptions like online lottery payments, which still allow credit cards. Kai Cantwell, the CEO of Responsible Wagering Australia, an independent organization, said, "This is an important measure to protect customers, making it easier for people to stay in control of their own gambling behavior." If people want to control their own gambling behavior, they won't gamble or they'll seek help. You're not the one to tell them no, especially because crypto users are, again, really known for, especially at the beginning, you can't deny it, they like to gamble. And if they want to gamble, if they want to throw their last 5 buckaroos of Bitcoin at it, then they should be able to do that. And credit cards, I could understand, because if you don't really have the money and you're not actually making the payment, then the company should not accept it. Debit cards, fly away. You could lose your whole life savings with your debit card to these gambling websites, but you can't lose your Bitcoin. It's because they don't want these companies making Bitcoin, because again, they might even become richer, have more power, and more people would want to gamble there because of their Bitcoin and crypto integrations. We know how well gambling companies in the US do, being that it's on every sports channel, and you could lose your life on there, no one cares. And there are crypto gambling sites, so it's a big industry. And for them to try to take it away takes away from the businesses. But again, they don't care about the businesses, and they care about getting their cut, which is why they don't want crypto, because maybe they won't get their cut. And with the debit cards, they definitely will. With that cash, they know they're going to get their cut. Hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. Oh, to protect consumers from wasting money that they don't have. Like, what kind of line is that? That was the most despicable line I've ever read in my life. It just shows how controlling they are. Oh, you don't have that money to waste. You're a little pleb. Go home. Go home. You're not allowed to gamble right now. You little pleb. That's hilarious. That's actually hilarious. Melvin said, like, buying anything online isn't a gamble, right? Yeah, listen, man, you could go into the stock market, Melvin. You could go into the stock market, buy whatever you want, lose your whole life savings investing in Apple or Microsoft or GameStop, and that's fine. Go ahead, lose your whole life. But you can't gamble with crypto. That's fine. All people do is gamble in the stock market. I mean, that's what it's really turned into lately. And especially, it's always been a gamble, except if you're in the hedge funds and then the 1%, then it's never a gamble for you, because you know what's going to happen. You know you're going to make money. That's so fun. Love that. Hilarious. Again, let's keep smashing the like. I see some people popping in saying that they got membershiperies. If you received membershipery from Golden, please give me a rocket emoji. Let me know that you are showing off your membershipery. Brandon E said, I can't wait for the new stock market. Are you talking about the Texas one backed by BlackRock? I don't care about, listen, I think launching stock exchanges is going to happen quite a lot, but I'm waiting for the digital stock exchange. And I know Binance had something going on similar to that. Way back in the day, like a few years ago, Binance digital, they had digital stocks for a while, and you could buy like Tesla stocks and all these things. Let me see. I think they were like digital shares or something like that. Was that it? This was like really old. I don't know. They had something going on there that was so dope, and I think that it needs to come back. Oh my gosh, Golden, another 50 memberships. Ooh! That is so amazing. Thank you so much, Golden. Golden, you're so amazing. Guys, please press the allow gift button. All you guys that wanted a membership, please press the allow gift button and send us some Emma emojis or rain emojis, either Emma or rain emojis. Yeah, drop those membership-ery emojis. I love seeing emojis in the chat. Emojis are everything to me. Give me those emojis. Give me those emojis. Shout out to Golden. Thank you, thank you. All right, bullish. We're freaking bullish, and we know we're bullish anyway. All right, I love this. You guys are killing the game right now. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. I have like all my little finger marks on my mug. That's so looks so bad. I don't really see that unless it's on the camera. That's so, oh gosh. All right, let's continue on because we're raining memberships. Hallelujah, we're raining shipperies. Oh yeah. Let's talk about Fidelity, because Fidelity, Fidelity, they are launching Fidelity International. They're tokenizing money market funds on what? What blockchain, may you ask? Oh, it's JP Morgan's blockchain known as the tokenized collateral network, and is going to be on the Onyx blockchain, the Onyx digital assets blockchain. Oh, please. JP Morgan, this is another example of JP Morgan literally getting to do whatever they want. And the SEC, they just like, they're kind of blind. They're like Solana, MATIC, Algo, bad, Ethereum, maybe security, bad. And then all of a sudden, JP Morgan's blockchain, working with all these people, whose blockchain? What blockchain? JP Morgan coin who? JP Morgan digital deposit token where? Citigroup deposit token who, what, where, when, why? It's so funny how it gets ignored. It's so funny how decentralized blockchains get attacked, yet JP Morgan, they could do whatever they want. They could tokenize wherever they want. BlackRock, Barclays, everyone gets to take part in it. So Fidelity International, which is a London-based, has tokenized shares in a money market fund using JP Morgan's Ethereum-based private blockchain network, Onyx Digital Assets. Tokenization occurred near instantaneously through connectivity through the fund's transfer agent, which is JP Morgan's transfer agency, and the TCN, the Tokenized Collateral Network, an app that sits between a collateral receiver and a collateral provider on the Onyx blockchain. Sorry. Tokenization of traditional financial assets has become a priority for banks and an area JP Morgan has been working on for some years, which is over 5. Especially because, again, their deposit token, well, not the deposit token, their kind of stable coin, the JPM coin, came out in 2019, especially where they had their first live blockchain-based collateral, and that was, again, what I mentioned before, between Barclays and BlackRock, especially where BlackRock now has the Biddle fund, and it says here, Fidelity's participation in TCN brings its MMF units onto our network through tokenization, adding a new asset that is otherwise prohibitively complex to use across today's collateral landscape. This is the head of Onyx Digital Assets. Of course, they want to make it seem so amazing. Oh my gosh, tokenization occurred. It's not cryptocurrency. And it's like so funny that people are like, this is amazing. Tokenization this, tokenization that. Is it really tokenization if it's not decentralized? Is it really tokenization if it's a private blockchain? No, it is not cryptocurrency. And that's what you have to get through your head, because it doesn't mean they're using distributed ledger technology. It doesn't mean that it's anything anyone else could take part in. So to me, it's not crypto, and it shouldn't be to anybody else's standards either. Because what's really crypto? Something like Bitcoin, something like Litecoin, something even like Ethereum. That is cryptocurrency. Anything else, especially something government made or a bank made, is absolute garbage. And this private blockchain, enterprise blockchains, permissioned blockchains, they're all the same. All the same. Because who gets access to these blockchains? The banks, and the banks only. If they don't like you, if they don't like what you're doing, then you will be shut down. That is a huge risk. It's something that is absolutely devastating, because these banks are going to try to force you into it. And we're not going to let it happen. No, which is why we're here. We're in crypto. We're educating on what it means to be in a decentralized financial ecosystem without relying on these plebs trying to make it seem so amazing when it's something that's not. It's quite the opposite. And Birudo was like, why would they use a third-party blockchain? And they wouldn't. You're right, because they don't want you to know what's going on. They don't want you to have transparency. They want you to be stuck in the banking network. That's what. And if even JPM coin, right? They want you to end up using JPM coin, so that way, you can't peg out into another cryptocurrency. Yeah, you just can't exchange that because the bank said no. Like, that's what we're going to end up dealing with. Do you have any opinion on Oh, you can ask me. You can ask me for those charts in a little bit. He said, yeah, F those big institutions. I'm with you, B-Rodo. Yes. All right. Let's see. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We're bing-bonging out here. Bing bong. And let's talk about something that's not as annoying. We're going to talk about Japan's Metaplanet stock that jumped 10% after disclosing their additional Bitcoin purchase, where they already held quite a few Bitcoin and now they just bought 23 more. So let's talk about what's happening and why they bought Bitcoin and how much Bitcoin this company has. Again, we're seeing international companies along with companies in the United States accumulating Bitcoin, putting it on their balance sheet because of so much uncertainty with the global economic landscape. Let's take a gander. Japan's Metaplanet stock, again, jumping 10%. We see that they saw their shares rise around 10% on Tuesday after announcing they bought an additional 1.58 million US worth of Bitcoin. They disclosed this on June 11th, where they bought 23.351 Bitcoin, totaling its holdings over 141 Bitcoin, which is around 9.54 million US. And the firm's latest purchase follows their previous acquisitions on April 23rd and May 10th. Their average price per Bitcoin was around $65,300. And we saw that, again, their stock was soaring. And they said that this is, again, due to economic uncertainty, where the company's website said, in response to the pandemic-induced investment landscape, Metaplanet
Thank you. You're welcome.
I'm not gifting any more memberships to Frankie until he gets a new chair so we can see him. So I'm sending them your way instead. Smiley face, heart, candle mafia, candle, candle, candle.
Bing bong.
Frankie, get that new chair, bruv. Get that new chair, bruv. What are you doing? Get the new chair. Or just stand up like I do. You just got to stand up sometimes. Thank you, Golden. I appreciate you. You're hilarious. He's like, I'm not sending Frankie until he gets a new chair. That's so funny. They said, in response to the pandemic-induced investment landscape, Metaplanet comprehensively restructured its myriad assets and businesses, paving the way for a strategic pivot towards a Bitcoin-centric vision. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We know that the tides are shifting. Do we have like an ocean sound? I don't have an ocean sound. Pretend this is the ocean. It's a shower. The tides are shifting, my friends. We are seeing the institutions come in, the businesses. They're not, these companies that we know, MicroStrategy, the Metaplanet, Semler Scientific, a healthcare company that came into this space, they're buying straight up fat bags of Bitcoin. They're not buying the ETFs because the ETFs are absolute distractions. And these companies know if they actually hold the bag, then they have actual exposure, because if they felt that ETFs were adequate exposure, you know, they would have picked that up instead of actual corn. But they picked up actual Bitcoin because they know where the zest lies. And that's it. Boing. Boing. Oh, poop, what's going on here? Let me look. Golden, another 50 memberships. Oh, you're so funny. You're so funny. Pamp it up. Thank you so much. Guys, press the allow gift button. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Golden didn't like the shower.
Damn!
That is so funny. Golden, you're killing it today, dude. Yeah, claim the membership rate, guys, please. That was absolute hilarious. Oh, you guys are too good. You're too good to me. You guys are spoiling me out here. Spoiling me. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's see. We got crypto exchange crypto.com that did make a move internationally. And again, we're talking about international things and how people are moving crypto businesses across the waters. We know that obviously Fidelity, they have their international sector in London that's now working with JP Morgan for tokenization, which is all fugazi. And then you have Japan's Metaplanet that had their stock jump 10% because they bought a bag of Bitcoin. And now you have more international news with Ireland. Crypto.com secured a spot with their virtual asset service provider Register, and we'll see what this means and where the company goes from here. And this is bullish news. Crypto.com received approval to register as a VASP, a virtual asset service provider in Ireland, allowing them to operate in the European Union nation. The company was listed on the register as of June 7th under the name Forest DAX, the Central Bank of Ireland's website showed. Crypto.com will now be able to offer crypto to fiat exchanges and fiat wallets, the company said. They joined Coinbase, Ripple, and Gemini on the register as crypto companies vie to win approval in the EU nations because they have MICA, the Markets in Crypto Assets legislation that is yet to come through. But they have some licenses in Dubai, in the UK. They're an electronic money institution. They also have registration in the Netherlands, in Spain. So Crypto.com is getting after it. Gemini is getting after it. Coinbase is getting after it. All the exchanges are getting after it. And as they should, make that bread. Spread that crypto adoption, because you know what? The United States is old and behind. Crazy. Crazy. So I thought I'd share that because I thought that was pretty interesting. And then we're going to go into the market recap, but right after we talk about Cardano, or as he said, what is it? Cardano, he said, and Cardano. Multiple names that we have here for Cardano. Or ADA, or ADA. Do you guys say ADA or ADA? One for ADA and two for ADA. One for ADA, two for ADA. What? Golden, another 50 memberships? Are you crazy? Are you freaking crazy? Golden, are like you okay today? You're like zesting out. This is like a lot of zest. And I appreciate every little bit of it. And I'm sure the community does as well, because you're killing it today. Oh my gosh, guys, give us membership-y emojis. Give us Emma emojis. Give us Emma emojis in the chat. Let's talk about Cardano. Cardano, ADA, all the things. Cardano is on track for their upgrade. And I want to know what you guys think about this, because apparently it's supposed to be bullish. I don't know. The Cardano network is set to move into the final phase of its multi-year program to become a wholly decentralized blockchain ecosystem, according to the co-founder Charles Hoskinson. As the first step, they have to validate node software operated by the system stake pool operators, or SPOs, and they need to be upgraded to the latest version, and then the blockchain will evolve into a hard fork. But if the blockchain forks, is it really like Cardano anymore? I guess it is. I don't know. To me, this is very confusing. They're going to implement something called CIP 1694. This is going to allow holders of the native Cardano token to vote on topics and features that benefit Cardano. And a second step will be more novel features like proxy participation, treasury withdrawals that allow users to propose and fund projects within the Cardano ecosystem. So basically, they're trying to make it into like a DAO, is what I'm trying to get from it, and that the community is not going to be run by Charles Hoskinson's group. It's going to be more run by community members. But what community members? And let's say like, okay, let's say we have all these whales that are like doing all these Cardano things and voting, and because I feel like I don't really know how the voting works. Like if you have more tokens, then you get more voting power. But like, let's say in 80 years, like all these people are old, or like, I don't know, in 100 years, obviously people are going to be not on this planet. So like how does the voting work for like years to come? I don't know. That's something I guess I have to understand, and I hope someone can provide that information to me. And that's why I'm asking you guys in the public eye, because obviously I don't know everything, and I want to know what the actual poop is going on here. So if you guys could hop into my Discord or the Telegram, link in live chat in description, please go into the chat and explain to me how you feel about this and what this potentially could mean for Cardano, not even right now, but a few years down the line. I would really like to understand, because I'm just a little bit confused. But yeah, that's just kind of like where I'm going with that. I know there are miners in the chat. I know they're very very intelligent people here. Also unlocking treasury so people can vote on how to use it. Yeah, but like, how do they unlock the treasury? I guess that's what I need to understand. There's not a lot of explanation here, and I need more explanation. And then maybe I could, like, you know, feel the zest for it more. But I wanted to ask the community. I do want to go into the market recap just really quick. We have a goal of 2 more subscribers until we hit our goal of 16,755. So please pump that up. Market recap is not looking too snazzy today. We are in the red. We're trying to break free, but also at the same time, we were due for a little bit of a setback here. Not really a setback, but like a little bit of a drawback. Also, we have Bunk that is up. She seems to be like the little shining star right now. Little bunky bunk. Let's look at the chartery. Michael Cartwright said, Randy, my wife loved the video with all the sheeps and puppers at the pizza party. Hello, wrong button. Michael, tell wifey I said hello. Hello, wifey Mike. Also, that was so cute. The whole sheep party was adorable. I'll show you guys that again because I don't think some of you were here yesterday. Really, really great event that I was at. Also, let's go through the market recap, and then I'll show you guys the videos from the other day. But taking a look here, we have 66.8 Bitcoin. She is struggling just a little bit. But looking at another chartery here, obviously we know that Bitcoin has been ranging for months. We know that Bitcoin has been ranging for months, especially she broke into this range February 28th. This is 60K, the golden zone. And then we have the top of the range, which is basically around 71.2, high 71.2, almost 71.3. And of course, we've broken out of this range, checking that all-time high. We broke below this range right around here in the beginning of May, and we've been stuck ever since. Now people are losing it because, oh my gosh, we're in this range. We can't just stop in the middle of this range and just pop off from there. We have to go fully to the bottom of the range, which is around 60K. And when mostly people say things like that, almost makes me feel a little bit different about the whole situation. Like maybe it won't. Maybe this is the dip before the spring. We don't really know. Could she go down to 60K? Absolutely, because she's very attracted to the golden zone. Very, very attracted. Very, very attracted to the golden zone. Very. Now, of course, she wants to break to 67K. We want 67.6 and then 69K. We know that the money flow isn't the absolute best. The VWAP is not. Nothing is looking too great today. The RSI is below neutral. We are officially bearish. It was a push to the bearish end. Could we just keep going into overbought? What is, not overbought, oversold? What does oversold look like? Does oversold look like the golden zone, 60K? This is what we got to figure out. This is what only time will tell, right, Kenny? Thank you for the love over here. We have Ethereum today. It's 3,526 bucks. 3530 was the level to watch, and we definitely hit it. So we'll see what happens now that the VWAP is down momentum, and the money flow is still green. She looks like she's curving in the right way, but could be drawn down a little bit. The RSI is confidently below and bearish right now. So we'll see what happens. Bearish level to watch, of course, is your 32.27, around 32.30. But we ideally want to close above 35.30 and keep going. But again, very, 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 very tight ranges going on here. We are awfully close to an event, my friends, and you guys know what I'm going to say. It's freaking Litecoin Summit. It's the best freaking event known to Zest kind, and I'm so excited because it's going to be such a great event. Litecoin Summit is going to be from July 24th to the 25th in Nashville. Please come hang out. $84. That's it. $84 a ticket. That be it. Oh, hi, Crypto Chick. Crypto Chick, let's go. Nice to see you. Always good to see you. She's on TikTok, Crypto Chick, at Crypto CHIK. Follow her. She's always live. She's always answering people's questions, and she's doing like some good TikTok education. So shout out to her. Oh, you're giving me roses. You don't have to give me roses, Crypto Chick. You're so sweet. Kenny, thank you too. I appreciate you. Here's what we need to acknowledge right now. Litecoin is fighting this 200-day SMA where we have defended that in the past, going below the 200-day SMA that's sitting around 79 bucks, dipping to 75 and getting bought back up. Although it's been a struggle and now we are below said 200-day SMA. So we're going to look at 75 bucks. Bullish, we're going to look at 85. Though everything's not really looking too snazzy. But when things get boring and when things aren't looking too snazzy, that's usually when we move. It's usually when we move. But Litecoin's range has been wild since April 12th, bouncing between 75 and 85. This has been like boom, 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 boom. But we'll see. We'll see if it really sends us anywhere or if we're just going to keep consolidating, because this is huge consolidation. I don't think we've ever been in this range, especially with Bitcoin and its consolidation holding above 60K. We've never really held this range before. So I feel like this is why things are a little bit iffy and choppy right now. Dogecoin is below 14 cents, breaking my heart. Don't go breaking my heart. Do-na-na-na. Don't go breaking my heart. You guys know that song? I think you have to know that song. Hi, Leon. Nice to see you. Good morning. We have Dogecoin that is nearing her 200-day SMA that's sitting at 12.5 cents right now. That's the level to watch. And technically, if you want, it's like literally right below that our literal, our support, which was previous resistance, is at, which is 0.122 cents. So just below that 12.5. That's what we're looking at. Bullishly, though, we want to break through 17.5. That's it. That's it. That's what's going to make my heart warm and fuzzy. Is not only if we pass 17.5 with confidence, but if we hit that 19. People are severely underestimating the importance of the hard fork. Po-man, please give me as much information as you can on that. Please join the Discord and put it in the crypto channel. Got questions? Talk to him or Big Pay. I wanna talk to Charles to give Crow a call. I should have called Jason, Big Papa Jason. I love Big Papa Jason. He is such a sweetie. He's like one of the sweetest people I've ever met. Rizzo said, trying to listen at work and having to pause sucks. That is so freaking funny. Don't get in trouble, Rizzo, but thank you for joining the show. I appreciate you very much. Thank you, thank you. Ralph Bean said the bull run is over. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Guys, if you have chart requests, please let me know. I will take them. We also have a goal of 2 more subscribers on YouTube, so I see you out there. I see you watching. You better be hitting that subscribe, right, Poker Piper? Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, I see you guys talking about food. What are we talking about? We're talking about food in here? I love food. Don't go breaking my... Don't go... Yeah, Brandon E knows what wavelength I'm on right now. Let's take a look over here. Oh my gosh, one more. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Someone just subscribed. Someone just subscribed. I got some pictures yesterday. Let's see if I could open those up. Oh, wait, they aren't on this Google Drive. They're on the other Google Drive. Ah, I hate this. I hate this. But let's see. Obviously, I showed you guys this one yesterday, which was me and Tesla model Doge holding a puppy. It was the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. There were literally dozens of dogs there. Let me see. Let me get Williamsburg Pizza out here. Let me get Williamsburg Pizza. Hold on. Do-do-do. Williamsburg Pizza. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh my gosh, look at the puppy. Look at the puppy. Look at all these pictures. I was with the puppies. I'll show you the video of me making food. This is the fam, my dad. This is Aaron, the owner. TMD, the best person ever. This is Emma. And then it was packed. It was wall to wall, man. And then taking a look here, you see all the puppies. Look at all the puppies. They're coming right towards you, all the shibis. Tyler Fitzpatrick said he's listening to me at work as well, and he got his work laptop on loud for a meeting, and he's listening to me through his Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. That is the best thing I've ever heard in my life. That is the best thing I've ever heard in my life. Tyler, you won today. You won the work listen today. I'm on the Ray-Ban glasses, guys. That's called stepping up. That's called bougie. That's called the future. So that was really great. I had a really great response online from you guys with this whole Doge thing. Literally, I was hanging out with this puppy. I posted it on Instagram too. And if you look on Instagram, I pinned her comment. The dog's owner did comment there. So if you want to follow this puppy, go on Instagram and you'll find it. And this was the video of me making some pizza at Williamsburg Pizza. I'm going to show it to you guys right now. Here you go. We're going to make some pizza at Williamsburg Pizza on the day that they're celebrating accepting.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Sorry, Frankie. Spent my daily limit. Candle, Mafia, heart.
Thank you. Thank you, Golden. Also, thank you, Nico. Dogecoin at 5 of their locations. Get 25% off. Oh, how did I get myself into this? I love it. Let's go hand this out. We're hitting the streets. Dogecoin pizza, who would like some? Yes, taste test.
This one has food, so I'll be so.
Give us a review. 1 to 10, what is it? Give it to us. 11. Oh yeah, let's do that. What is it, Aaron? Aaron, how do you rate my pizza?
10 out of 10. Yeah! Fucking rock solid.
Yeah, that was hilarious. Aaron's the bro. Aaron's the bro. So that was really great. And then I got to bring my Doge pie outside pre-cut. So I took it outside. We took some pictures. I was in the apron and everything, freaking going off. And then, yeah, that was really fun. I loved every single bit of it. This is Aaron, the absolute G. And shout out to, like, just the staff were so awesome. Like, they literally just gave me the whole kitchen. I was like, okay. I loved it. I want to see if I could grab some other stuff off my Google Drive here. How can I do from drive to drive? Can I do from drive to drive? Is that possible? Like, I don't even know. Let's see. No, I can't go from drive to drive. All right, so maybe I should have been more prepared for this. I guess so, because I didn't know if I was going to show pictures again. But it was so awesome. I absolutely loved it. It was one of the best things I've ever done. And the reason, and I know people are like, you should have put more pepperoni. Here's the thing, guys. I wanted a little bit of pepperoni just to have it a little tasty. But at the same time, I needed to be able to write the Doge on it with some cheese. It wasn't frosting, it was cheese. So I had to, like, you know? Yeah, I guess I should download it locally. You are right. You are. I should stop being lazy. Let's see. Download anyway. Cool. Dopular. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna download this. There's like a few things that are here that we just did. It was just such a great experience. I absolutely loved it. It was just like, I don't know. It was to me like a once in a lifetime opportunity. Daddy-O said he's never had an authentic New York pizza, and he's at Little Caesars. Oh no. Oh no. No.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Yeah, you definitely need to get after it there, my friend, 100%. Like, pepperoni and pineapple is the best. Oh, no, Golden. No. And then Golden be like,
Yeah.
no, I can't endorse the pineapple. I'm going to say it. I cannot endorse it. I mean, if you have a good pie, you don't need toppings. And that's the thing that a lot of people just really aren't grasping. You don't need toppings if it's a good pizza. Like, if it's good quality dough, it's good quality sauce. What are you adding all this stuff for? You don't even need the pepperoni if it's that good. That's what I'm saying. But listen, people like different strokes for the different folks. You know what I mean? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? It's just the way it is. It's just the way it is. But I had like such a blast. It was such a good time. We hung out with so many people. There were so many beautiful Doge fam. Like, I just couldn't ask for anything better than that event. It was just really wholesome. Wholesome. No, it was actually really good. It was actually really good. You definitely need to eat authentic pizza. Yes, it is so good. It is so good. There's nothing better than New York pizza. I'll say that right now. Alexandra C, pineapple is tasty on it, but I don't call it pizza. Then yeah, you know what? Then maybe I agree with Alexandra G. Maybe it's not pizza. Maybe it's not pizza if that's the way it's all going. Oh my gosh. I guess my videos are still processing. Why can't I show this to you? I just want to show it to you. Let's see if I can add another window capture. Let's see how I can do this. I'm going to work on this. Let's add it. Oh yeah. We did it. We did it. All right. Hold up. Hold the front door. Okay. You know what? No, this doesn't work here. This does not work here. I'm getting rid of it. Hold on. Screen share. Yeah, this is where it's got to be. Okay, hold on. I'm going to add another window capture. I'm going to get this done. I'm doing some technicals right now. I'm doing some technicals. We're going to get this video up here. We're going to look at this video. We're going to enjoy the video. Hold up. We're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. Because we're savage. Okay, hold on. We got it. Yeah. Did I do it? Oh, wait. Ah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I wish I could. I wish I could. I don't know what to do. Oh, I know why. Darn it. Well, I tried my best. I tried my best there. But I wish it would work. I wish it would work because I would get it going for you. But it doesn't want to work for us. So we have some technical difficulties here. But I did attempt it for you. I did attempt it. I wanted to show it to you guys. I guess it has to upload for more time. But it was a really great experience. I would definitely do it again. All I want to do is talk about and do more pizza with Dogecoin because Dogecoin is so amazing. And it's just brought like so many people together. Callie. Oh, yeah, that's Kenny. Hi with the rose out here. We have Mike on here. We have a lot of good people on TikTok today. I heard Nashville has great restaurants, too. I can't wait to go to Nashville. We have Randy A in the chat. Mr. Bubbles, Naren, hello. You need to send Tony D that Italian pizza. Yeah, Tony needs some good pizza. They all need good pizza at the Frankie Candles channel. Hold on. Beautiful. Yay. We have Varies. Hi, Varies in the chat. We have Vibin' with Digital. Nice to see you, too. Where was the pizza you served? It was Williamsburg Pizza in the Lower East Side of Manhattan. So that is where it was at. And I loved it, every single minute of it. It was such a blissful experience. Tradefly said Nashville bound. Let's go. Yes. Tradefly, Piper, and OC. I will be speaking at Litecoin Summit July 24th to the 25th. Links are in the live chat in the description. Please come. It's only, excuse me. It's only $84 a ticket, July 24th to the 25th. Please come and hang out. I'll be speaking there. It's going to be such a great time. Shout out to Matthew K. It's been a minute, my friend. Where have you been? Where have you been? Thank you for joining us today. But yeah, really great stuff going on. Very excited. Bitcoin is sleepy today. It's okay. It's just the way she is. How many likes do we have? Where's Litecoin Summit? Nashville, Tennessee, July 24th to the 25th. Bring Sophia. Bring Sophia. Please bring her. Bring the family. And if you do, let me know. Because yeah, please let me know if you're coming. I would really love to have everyone there, especially the kids. There's gonna be some kiddos that are coming to meet us at Litecoin Summit. Some young little children. I'm so excited. I might cry. I literally can't wait. But it's gonna be an amazing time. Matthew K said teaching was hard this year. He's a teacher, guys. Matthew K is a teacher, and he gets after it. $8 a ticket. No, $84 a ticket. $84 a ticket. You thought you were talking Bitcoin conference. No. Litecoin conference. The right coin conference. Because Litecoin Summit has people that are actually doing things that spread adoption and give you like really good speakers. So, you know, it's not the same thing as every other conference where it's kind of like the similar stuff that go on every single time. This is different. And I really love different, and I like to do things that are like educational and matter, and I think that this really matters. But yeah, Litecoin Summit is amazing. I really do love Litecoin. I think it's the best technology in crypto, hands down. I don't care about price go up or whatever. I care about tech and what's going to be used in the future. And people may fade, but a lot of people don't fade because they know what's up. They know what's up. Hi, Johnny Paycheck. Nice to see you. But yeah, we're going to get after it today. I'm very excited. We have a lot to take care of today, as usual. But I'm very hyped to be able to come here, do the news, and hang out and just like get after it. Guys, have an amazing day. An amazing, splendid day. A day that will make you happy. A day that you will go outside and touch freaking grass. Touch grass. Breathe in the air. Maybe like do a little bit of a dancey dance outside. Maybe a little bit of a dancey dance. You know what I mean? Have a great day. If you haven't yet, please let Piano Matty B tell you what to do.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I appreciate every single one of you. Again, if you haven't yet, please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you, Mike, for the roses over there on TikTok. Have an amazing day. I will be here tomorrow. And as always, 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 stay zesty. Peace.